Okay, here we are on day 2. So today, if you're doing it that way, would be April 7th, and we're still in week 3. And this is our math chapter 18 assignment. We're doing pages 403 and 404, and it is problem solving. Okay, so I will help you and we will work our way through that together. Okay, so I'm going to go with red today. All right, so problem solving means we need to read the directions very well, okay? So it looks like they crossed something out. So it does right here say, draw a line through the information you do not need and then solve it. So don't forget to do that on our word problems. It says, 110 children from Bob's school went to the museum. 82 children from Cindy's school went to the museum. It says 32 children rode on each bus. I guess if we read the question first, that might be a good thing. The question says how many children from the 2 schools went to the museum. Okay, we want to know from the 2 schools went to the museum. So 32 children rode the bus does not get us to that answer, okay? So our 2 problems are 110 and 82, and that would be an addition problem. The children from Bob's school, the children from Cindy's school, we add them together. We come up with 192. Notice how they lined ones, tens, and hundreds, so we'll have to be careful about that. All right, so this says the same thing. Draw a line through any information you do not need and then solve. So let's read the question. How many children in all watched the movie? Here we have watched the movie. Here we have bought popcorn. And here we have watched the movie. What do you think we should get rid of? Bought popcorn. So the 34 we don't need. So draw a line through 34 children bought popcorn. Now let's see. In the morning, 105 children watched the movie. In the afternoon, 58 children watched the movie. In all means addition, right? I dropped my pen, so I'm back. So we're going to write. Now, do you think we should put the 58 on top, the 105? It doesn't matter, but when you have a 2-digit mixed with a 3-digit, I like to put the larger number on top, okay? Even though it doesn't really matter. Now make sure you line the 8 under the 5 under the 0, because those are 1s and 10s, okay? So go ahead and add 8 plus 5 and tell me what you get. 14, you say? You're close. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, you said 13. So you drop the 3, you carry the 1, right? 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring down your 1. So 163 children watched the movie, okay? Always remember to finish your answer. Let's go to number 2. Well, let's read the question. Underline it. How many puzzles are in the gift shop? Do you see anything that does not say puzzles with a number? Postcards. 103 animal postcards. We don't care about that. Not to be rude, but we don't. So there are 115 small puzzles, 72 large puzzles. How many are in? Same thing as in all. Let's put the 3-digit number on top. 72, where does that go? The 2, 2 1s, 7, 7 10s, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 1. 187 puzzles are in the gift shop altogether, okay? So go on to the next page. We're doing the same thing. You want to do it by yourself? I'm fine with that. Just read the directions and pause me, and you can come back and grade your paper if you'd like to do it by yourself. If you want to do it with me, then don't pause me. Okay, I'm going to use my blue. So, draw a line through the information. So I think the best thing to do is read the question. How many giraffes did she see on the 2 days? So we are concerned about giraffes. I see a number, 63 giraffes on Monday. I see a number, 54 zebras. Nope, we're looking for giraffes. So draw a line through the 54 zebras, and I see 72 giraffes here. And how many on the 2 days means how many in all. So those numbers have the same amount of digits. Doesn't matter what you do. Okay? 3, 4, 5. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 1 less, because 6 is 1 less than 7. 1 less than 14 is 13. Good. Give yourself, if you did it by yourself, give yourself a little grade. Okay, let's read the question. How many horses are at Murphy Ranch and River Ranch? I have a feeling we're concerned about Murphy Ranch and River Ranch. So make sure you underline that. Do you see any other kind of ranch up there? I see a River Ranch. I see a Murphy Ranch. I see a Pine Ranch. We're not worried about Pine Ranch, so we're gonna get rid of, there are 215 horses at Pine Ranch. So Murphy's Ranch has 151. River Ranch has 128, both 3-digit numbers. Adding them all together, because it says in all. 8 plus 1, 9, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. Don't forget to copy it on the answer line. 279 horses in all. Okay, number 3, let's read the question. How many lion photos in all? So we know we're going to add. I see lion, I see lion, I see zebra. We don't want that. So we have 123 lion photos. We have 94 lion photos. Line it up correctly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. We need to carry 1. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer, 217 photos in all. Okay? Alrighty, let's go to the last one. Ms. Larson sees, let's read the question, sorry. How many eggs are in the first and second nest? So, first, second. Third, do we care? No, we don't. The third nest. First has 87, second has 102. I think we should put the 102 on top. The 87 lined up correctly. And 7, 8, 9. 0 plus 8 doesn't change the 8. Bring down the 1, 189 eggs. Okay, so that is the end of our math lesson for today. So I will see you back for math tomorrow, okay, which will be day 3.